In previous class, we have studied basics of arrhythmia. In this class, we will study about antiarrhythmic drugs. Antiarrhythmic drugs means the drugs which act on arrhythmic conditions to normalize the heart function or normalize the heart rhythm. Antiarrhythmic drugs can be divided into four major classes and one cardiac glycosides which is not included in these four classes. That's why it is done separately as cardiac glycoside. This classification is done on the basis of their action. Class 1 act by blocking sodium channel. This class 1 further divided into three subclasses. Class 1A mainly act by prolonging repolarization. The drugs in this class are quinidine and procainamide. These bold drugs are given in syllabus, whereas unbold drug, desparidine and such like these drugs are not given in syllabus. So student have to study accordingly. And star drug have synthesis in syllabus. Subclass 1B shorten repolarization and drugs covered in this subclass are lidocaine and mexiletine, phenytoin, tocainamide. Class 1C act by repolarization which have little effect on repolarization. Drugs covered in this class are flecainide, encainide and propafenone. Class 2 is characterized on the basis of action which is beta-adrenergic blocker. They prolong repolarization. Drugs in this class are propranolol and esmolol. Class 3 contains potassium channel blocker drugs. Drug names are amiodarone, beryllium tosylate and sotalol. In class 4, calcium channel blockers are kept and drugs in this class are verapamil, nifedipine and deltazine. Cardiac glycoside mainly act by sodium potassium ATPase inhibition. Drug in this class is digoxin. Now, as we have studied in classification, class 1A act by sodium channel blocker. This class have primary action on sodium ion across the cell membrane and subclass 1A prolong the repolarization and drug in this class are quinidine and procainamide. The structure of both of these drugs are given here. Quinidine is a alkaloid extract from the bark of cinchona tree with class 1A antiarrhythmic and anti-malarial effect. Procainamide is a amide containing drug. It is used for the treatment of life-threatening ventricular arrhythmia. Subclass 1B shorten repolarization. Drug in this class are lidocaine and mexiletine. Lidocaine drug is commonly used as local anesthetic and it have numbness effect on tissues in specific area where it is applied and it also used to treat ventricular tachycardia and to perform nerve blockage. Whereas mexiletine is used to treat abnormal heart rhythm, chronic pain and some cause of muscle stiffness. Class 1C have little effect on repolarization and drug in this class is flecainide. Flecainide is used to prevent and treat abnormally fast heart rate including ventricular and supraventricular tachycardia. It is the only recommended drug for dangerous arrhythmias or when significant symptom cannot be managed by using other drugs. So it can be used as a choice of drug when other drugs cannot manage arrhythmic condition. Class In this class, beta-adrenergic blockers are kept. The drug in this class is propranolol. It is used to treat high blood pressure, irregular heart rate, and thyrotoxicosis. Excess of thyroid hormone in body can also be treated using this propranolol. Performance anxiety and essential tremors can also be treated by using this propranolol drug. Potassium channel blockers are assigned class 3, and in this class amiodarone drug is kept, and it is used to treat certain type of serious irregular heartbeat, possibly have fatal effect, such as persistent ventricular fibrillation, tachycardia. It is used to restore normal heart rhythm and maintain regular or steady heartbeat. Next drug is beryllium tosylate. It blocks potassium channel and act as antiarrhythmic drug. It is also block the release of noradrenaline from nerve terminals and act by decreasing output from the peripheral sympathetic nerve system. Class 4 drug have calcium channel blockers. In this class, first drug is verapamil. Structure of this drug is given here. It is used for the treatment of high blood pressure, that is